Hello beauties, welcome to my channel. This is Yamine's Beautiful. You're welcome, you're welcome. On today's video we are going to be making a review on extreme whites. Hope you guys can see that this extreme white. Yeah, a review on extreme white. Okay guys, if you are just seeing my face for the first time, you're welcome, and please do well to hit that subscription button and the bell icon so that anytime I upload a new video you'll be notified. Please, if you like my content, don't forget to give it a thumbs up. Just see that like button, just click on it. Welcome guys, welcome wherever you might be watching me from. You are all welcome. Let's get right into the video. Yes, this is my own review of extreme white intense toning treatment spot removing night cream. This is actually a night cream. They are of two types. The one for day, there's a day cream, and this is the night cream. How to know the difference is written on it, night cream. So when you are buying it, ensure you read this. Yeah, the day cream is also red like this. The packet is also red, but the contents is not this color. This is the night cream, which is yellow. The day cream is white. Yeah, so don't make that mistake. Remember, I've always been um, advising that when you buy a product, ensure you read everything on the packet of the product or skincare product you purchase. Okay, so this is extreme white intense toning treatment. This is actually a product of France. Product of France. Yep. It has expiry date here. Okay, so directions to use: every evening after cleansing, apply appropriate amount onto spots, massage gently. I wouldn't advise to use all over your face, but there are people that use all over their face, but just know it's going to whiten your face. So I would just recommend, as is written here on the direction, that you should apply only on the spots you are treating. Yeah, it's a spot treatment. It's not a facial how do I put it? It's not supposed to be used all over your face. But for those of you that have been using it, well done. Is just to treat the spots. Yeah, anyway. And one thing about this is that it's very good for sunburn. Truly, it's very good for sunburn. If you have the day cream, you use that for the during the day, and this is the night. Use it during the night. Yeah, the day cream has SPF, I think 15, but to me it's not enough. You still need to apply your sunscreen protection. Okay. Mm, it says here that it breaks down or continuous breakdown. It fades out dark spots and it clears sunburn. That's the truth. It does clear sunburn. With antioxidant vitamin E, cellulose acetate, it helps to protect skin cells from free radical damage, speed up metabolism of the skin to renew and break down melanin. Yeah. Meanwhile, it can control the activity of hyaluronase and renewal of the metabolism of pigment, revealing fairer and smoother complexion. Yeah. So the ingredients here are Accelera cherry, lemon, Carlos clematis, Armandi. It's a whole lot. Let me try and pronounce this one. It says here, Sargentaglovine stem, Arbutin, yeah, mulberry extract, squalane, rose extract, carrot oil, bitter orange extract, argan oil, and salicylic acid. Yes, yeah. So it's very good. That's my own review. It's very good. I'm yet to see a bad review on this product. It's all good reviews, and I've used it. I use it as a spot treatment. I don't use it as my overall facial cream. No, I don't. I just apply only on the spot I'm treating. Yeah, if you can see my skin, no makeup, no spots. Yeah, though Yes, once in a while I have is it pimples or acne or breakouts as a result of our monthly, issues. So sometimes it leaves some spots on my face. So that's why I have this. I have it. I use it to treat it. In 1 week, if you apply, use this in 1 week. 1 week, just a month. Some depending on your skin time, 1 week, 5 days, 1 week, you start to see it fading out. Yeah. So that's my own personal review of Extreme White intense toning treatment spots removing night cream. Yes, I'm yet to use the day cream, but if I get to use that, I'm going to let you guys know. I'm going to do a review on that, but this is the one I have used, and it's so, let me prove to you that I've used it. Yeah, see there. Yeah, use it. So that's that. So that's the review. I hope you liked my content. If you have any products you would like to see me make a review on, or you have any topic you would like me to talk about, please just drop it in the comment section below, and I'll do well to do it. Yes. So guys, we've come to the end of this video. I hope you liked this video. Please give me a thumbs up, give me a thumbs up. And those of you that have not subscribed to my channel yet, please don't leave without subscribing. You will not pay for it, just to click on it, and then you are a member of this family. And that bell icon down there, please also click on it, so that anytime I'll put up a new video, you don't need to start going to look for me. It will just pop up. So guys, see you on another video. Bye.